Hello, this is Cleo sharing how to use sub-brand templates and create your own document. I'm in Google Drive inside the Share With Me section and I select LON. Then I'm going to the How to Use Branding when Theme, into the Sub-Branding Toolkit, and I'm going to choose one of these program folder, for example the Feminist Green New Deal, entering it and entering the template folder. Here there is a list of templates that I can use, and let's say I need to create a presentation. So I'm going to Feminist Green New Deal PowerPoint presentation, open it. Here we go. And now, first thing first, I want to create a copy of this document. So under File, make a copy of the entire presentation. I name it February Workshop. Let's say OK. Now I can close my template folder, this one, and just let my presentation here. As you can see, this presentation has many slides for pages. It has more than one title or cover page and more than one layout for the text that you want to use. Of course, we don't need to use 3 different cover. So let's say I want to use the pink one. I can delete the white one and the green one. And then I can type in the title of my presentation here, the subtitles, and start using whatever page I want to use. If I want the same layout, let's say this one who has a title, a subtitle, and a short column text with an image for many pages, I will suggest to just copy this one. Let's select this on the left toolbar and then copy and paste it with Ctrl C and Ctrl B, or Command C, Command B, and you see I create a page that is totally identical to this one. Then I can add my information here. I can change the text and do whatever I want. What I will avoid is to create a new slide, like this one is a new slide, because as you can see, the layout and the font can be different from what we want. For example, here the layout, the font for the title is Arial, and we want a Barlow semi-condensed bold font for the title, and Roboto for the text. So this one is totally out of line, and I will delete it. Now you can start to use these pages adding your own content, and for this operation I will suggest to keep the brand guideline open as a reference. You can find your own brand guideline inside your project sub-brand folder. Here, brand guideline, and is a PDF. I just keep this one open so I can see, for example, the brand fonts and the color application and the color palette with the color code. And if I want to use, let's say, this blue, aqua blue, I will copy the HTML code here, Command C, back to my document. I'll add this color inside the custom color here, Command B, And here you go, I got my colors here, and it should be saved, by the way, it should be saved into the custom color palette, but it may not be always the case, so just copy it from the original brand guideline and it would be simpler. Same things you can do with the background. And instead of having it white, you can have like a pale purple, but of course make sure this is readable. For example, I don't see very well this color against this lilac, so I will change it as white. There you go. And then yeah, you can simply overwrite your own text and make sure your title is always in caps locks. Another thing that you may want to know is how to change pictures like this one. I'm doing a right click and I'm going to replace image. Now stay with me because this part is a bit long. Going to Drive, and if it is the first time you'll open this document, you may be inside the Hello When. Again, you have to look for the how to use the brand guideline, sub-brand, and then go inside your own project folder. Again, open it, and there is a folder with some photographs. You can choose among some of them, like I will use this one and replace it. Oh, and here there is a problem because the previous image may have been cropped. So again, right click, I'm going to reset the image, and voila, you can see the entire image. You can also scale it, make this one fitting the document. If you want to use one of your own picture, please add it inside the library of your project. So again, Feminist Green New Deal, add it here or inside the main project area, so we can create a sort of library. So here, for example, I added some image for the Climate Sisters, and you see, I tried to use images that reflect the branding. So again, consult the brand guideline to see how to use photos and are free from license. Another thing you may want to do is to change the graphics symbols. Again, replace image, going inside Drive and step back from the photography folder, and I have a graphic devices folder where I may want to use a full cycle, an RGB, a green one, okay, and replace this one. Again, this one is cropped. Whoop. It's a bit difficult to select those, so I will suggest to do not change too much things inside your own page. Reset image, voila, we got the circle, we got the picture, and that's it.